Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Hudson 726207. This is a lever arm. This is just a part for a backpack mounted sprayer, the 13194, I think is what they're calling it. It might be a 1319. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's a 13194. It's a backpack sprayer is what that is. Okay. And this video is to really just show you what the lever arm assembly looks like. So let's take some basic dimensional properties. Okay, dimensional properties. And we're going to switch to the screen view in a moment and look at the drawing. The overall length from the end of the handle down to the end of the return is about 15 inch. And I would say an overall width of the item, overall now, looks like it's about 5 inch. Some sort of a molded plastic or some sort of a rubberized handle on the back of this. Weighs about 0.68 pound, and I'm going to say that that is made of steel. Okay, some sort of black finish. Might be powder coated. It looks like it's possibly powder coated. Yeah, I would because of the texture on there, it looks like it's powder coated. Let's switch to the screen view where we can take a look at where the parts drawing is for this 13194. Okay, so this is the item here that we are looking at. Not much to see here, but there is that parts diagram. When we fire that up, we're going to see the 726207 lever assembly right here. Okay. Other very common items on here are the... bear with me one moment. The operation arm assembly is very common. The 722309, we sell those relatively often. The extension assembly is very common. But these would be all the replaceable, buildable, rebuildable parts on this unit. Okay, now below this video is a link to the manufacturer's page, which is here, that will allow you to review not only all of the Hudson products that we supply, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Let's wrap up this video on camera. Okay, in conclusion, getting replacement parts out of Hudson is generally not too much of a struggle at all, and to them we say thank you, although there is a bit of a lead time involved with the replacement parts. The good thing is it takes time, but you're able to continue to get useful service out of the initial investment in the spray or sprayer equipment. Any questions on the Hudson 726207 lever assembly or any other Hudson product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much.